channel. We are in
Italy!
Beautiful Italy.
Yes, can you believe it, guys? We love it here. We just came from Krakow, Poland, which we had been to before. Really loved it there.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of content we want to show you of Krakow, starting off with a room tour. And during the room tour, or after the room tour, we found a grasshopper.
Chocolate coated as well.
No, that was in Thailand.
Sure was.
No, this is a different one. Stick around after the room tour and we'll show you what we found, and let's take it away.
Yes. So, as you can see, this is our bed here, and it is super, super comfy. It is like floating on clouds. And so, well, it's a really nice hotel too, isn't it?
Yes, it's
really lovely.
Beautiful.
And they upgraded us to this room because we stayed for so long. And we got a nice little mini lounge suite here. Nice balcony that we'll show you outside later on. And then we have this awesome looking bathroom, nice and modern. In there, bit of junk hanging around there. And nice little entry over here by the door, and we've got some little hanging space here and here, so which is really nice.
Yeah, and I just wanted to mention one little travel hack that we came up with. You know, if you go into a hotel room, they have this little folding racks, but what we've done is we stand our little suitcase on the big one. Yeah. So it works out really good. You can see both of them we've done here.
Yeah, because a lot of times you go into a hotel and you're asking for, you know, suitcase carriers and things like that, and they go, no, we haven't got one. We've only got one. We haven't got two, so we have to make our own. So here we are. Yeah. So here's the balcony out here.
Yep.
And the other rooms don't have such a big balcony, and we were really lucky because we get some sun here. Would be nice if it had a few plants.
Yeah, but it's got beautiful chairs here that we can use, and
we've done a little sun baking out here when it's been a really good day, but today is not really quite as good as what it has been.
And tons of birds come in these trees, and it's really nice to watch them. And then just beautiful buildings around, and yeah, we really love it. So anyway, I guess we'll end it here, but we'll come back and we will show you some other parts as well
of the hotel.
Yes.
The lobby area was really impressive, and as you go to the left there would be the bar. Straight through here is to the dining room, and we've had such a good breakfast there. It's so full of all these goodies, and you could even sit outside. They had beautiful flowers on the table. The lighting was excellent, and the bar area was top notch.
This is Victor. He's the bartender here.
Yeah, I am. Hello. Hi.
At the Grand Ascot Hotel. And
Looking after us?
Yeah. And he's going to make a special drink that Ricky has asked. Tell him the story, Ricky.
Oh, yeah. I went on a cruise ship one time, and I had my first grasshopper.
Okay.
And I just fell in love with it, and I haven't been able to find one since then. So now you said you could do one, so you're the only bartender I know.
Really?
Other than that, that can do one.
So we'll see how it's gonna come out. Yeah, it's a really not a complex drink, because you only need 3 ingredients for it.
Yeah, but it tastes so good.
Yeah, like those mint chocolates, right?
I know.
Yeah, it is.
And what is it? Crème de menthe?
Crème de cacao, and also a cream, just regular cream.
Wow. No wonder it tastes so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill the glass a bit.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah. These are the two beauties.
All right.
That makes the color, and the menthe and that is a
This is the chocolatey.
chocolatey, right?
Yeah.
So a really simple drink to make, and a quick one. So we're gonna mix those up together.
That's it. Wow, look at it. You get a workout that way.
Got a bit tired.
It falls across.
That has to be chilled, you know, because when the cocktail is ice cold, but the glass is hot, it's not gonna have the same effect.
Oh, that looks yummy.
I'm double straining it, not to get the pieces of ice into the drink. And I'm gonna finish this one with a
Oh,
chocolate powder. This one is for you.
Thank you. Alright, cheers.
What do you think, Ricky?
Oh, yum. Oh, that's so yummy. Oh, that really is good.
Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can be notified whenever we get a new video that comes out. Anyway, we'll talk to you next time. Bye.